Hey guys, Blake here, aka Real Nerdy Dude, coming at you with another public service announcement. So guys, I like doing these announcements because there's a lot of things and a lot of intricacies in our industry that people really just don't know about. And so I like to do these public service announcements because I believe in educating those, especially educating those that really don't know our industry, or if I'm being honest, really look over what we do and how vital it is to either the security of their home or even the entertainment aspect of their home. So this was for all you DIYers out there, right? I know there's the guy that's on Amazon, or he's on the TikTok shop, or he is, he's on one of the big box stores online. He's like, you know what? I don't need a professional. I can do this myself. So, hey, we have a solution for you guys too. So AVExpeditors.com is our online e-commerce store. So for all you guys that love to tinker like me, that love doing your own projects, you get that benefit of, seeing something from start to finish. And maybe you're kind of a real nerdy dude like I am, and it's just something that you like to do. Hey, don't go give your money to the big box store, right? Give your money to a local company. We've been around over a decade. We have great customer service. And look, we always love talking this real nerdy stuff. So go to AVExpeditors.com, pick out the products or even the services that you want. Maybe you're a guy that can mount a TV, but maybe you can't cut those speakers in. Hey, go to AVExpeditors.com and let us do all the hard lifting for you.